Alright, dog, you ready? I'm behind the wheel. I don't know if that wheel like.
The moment that bitch is lit, we out. Okay, everybody, go. Holy shit, let's check out the damage. On this episode of How Fucked Is Fucked Up. That's fucked up. Holy shit.
You wanna leave it there?
Holy.
Yeah, we blew the dome off this microwave, bro.
God
That
damn.
microwave. We blew the back off this motherfucker.